Yes guys, welcome back to Lucien Goat Farm, Thanks for the continuous support, Yeah. So I recommend all you small farmers out there, to practice creep feed. It help a lot. If you could see these boys, they're just 2 months and a week and they're in very good condition. So what I do every morning, I give them a little grains and a mixture of bush. So I have chin chin leaves, I have Christics, otherwise known as never die, and I have this is I should tell you this one, and I also have watergrass, yeah, watergrass, hack slip, and basida. So I give them, as I said before, chin chin, basida, watergrass, and hog meat with or hog slip, yeah. So I'm give a mixture of this and high pro feed, and also they have water, and look at the condition. Yeah, I'm not gonna weigh them until they reach 3 months, but eventually you can see it's showing, yeah man. So just thanks for continue supporting Lucien Goat Farm, hit this notification bell so when I drop some new video, you can upload to your system real quick and you can get to see, yeah, creep feed, yeah, they're loving it, nice boys, yeah. So I'm gonna go out grazing now, so when I return all this will be gone. Yeah man, one love. Okay guys, so this is why I recommend creep feed, alright? So these ladies here, I didn't do a creep feed with them, and it shows that when I creep feed I get a faster, better growth rate, alright? Although these two I lost their moms, so I have to grow them on bottle, but if I did have them on creep feed, they'd show much better improvement. But I was just experiment something, because you have to try things and see how it works and see which plan you can stick to more, alright? Yeah man. So creep feed all the way, get a better faster growth and better looking goats in no time. Yeah man.